Clear the lines! It's a runaway train! Signals were changed. Points were switched. Thomas had never been so excited. He flew right by James and rocketed past Henry. Then he raced by Percy. They were all amazed. Bertie was excited when he saw Thomas flying down the tracks. "Want to race, Thomas?" beeped Bertie. Never mind. No one had ever seen an engine go so fast. Gordon had no idea that Thomas was racing along the main line. "I'm the fastest," said Gordon proudly. "Hi, Gordon. Bye, Gordon." Gordon could not believe what he had seen. Whee! "Holy shit," he said to himself. At last, the jet engine ran out of fuel, and Thomas was back under his own power. He steamed gently back into Knapford Station. "Sorry for overtaking you back there, Gordon," teased Thomas. "Overtake me? I didn't notice," Gordon huffed. "You didn't notice the fastest engine on Sodor?" said Henry. "Yes, I am the fastest," puffed Thomas. Percy felt a little sorry for Gordon. "Gordon doesn't have to go as fast as a jet engine. He's a steam engine." "Yeah, but he's still full of hot air," whistled James. And Gordon just wheeshed away, now a little less dignified. It was a tingly spring morning on the Island of Sodor. Thomas was excited. Sir Topham Hatt sent him to collect a special from Jenny Packer. "Spot on, Thomas," Miss Jenny said. "You'd make a mother proud." "Thanks, Miss Jenny," he said. "Is this my special?" "Very special," she answered. "I'm Jack, the front loader," he whirred proudly. "I can load and unload and carry lots of things." "I can haul and shunt," boasted Thomas. "And I can get you two chatterboxes off to the quarry," laughed Miss Jenny. "Is this your first job at the quarry?" called Thomas. "It's my first job on the island," Jack called back. "Look out for Max," Thomas added. "He's trouble." Soon, Thomas delivered Jack to the quarry. All the machines were busy preparing the site for new railway tracks. Jack couldn't wait to join in. He scooted towards a big excavator. "I'm Jack. Can I help?" "Oh my, no," Oliver replied kindly. "Help Byron." Byron, the bulldozer, was shoving rocks and rubble with his giant blade. "I'm Jack. Can I help?" "I don't need any help," boomed Byron. "Try Kelly the crane." "I'm Jack," he said cheerfully. "Watch my paintwork," snapped the truck. "Isabella," scolded Kelly. "Sorry. Welcome to the pack." "And if you're looking for work," said Kelly. "See the foreman," said Isabella cheekily. "He's in charge." The foreman introduced Jack to his oiler. "I'm here to help you work safely," said the oiler. "No speeding and no horseplaying," added the foreman. "Now go help Alfie." "Yes, sir," replied Jack eagerly, and he raced off. "Remember, called the oiler. Safety first! Alfie is an excavator. He makes the hardest jobs seem like play. Hello, I'm Jack. I'm here to help. More help means more dirt. More dirt means more fun. I'm Alfie. Jack and Alfie were working hard and having wonderful fun when suddenly a dump truck roared by. Max! Alfie cried. So that's Max, said Jack. Thomas was right, he is trouble. Look out, Jack, cried Alfie. Max stopped just in time. Jack refused to move. Stop bullying, said Jack bravely. Can't you take a joke? Max grumbled and dieseled away. Thank you, Jack, said Alfie. Then the foreman shouted, Oliver, move this rock. I'll do it, cried Jack. Jack scooped up a bucket full of rocks. Stop, shouted his oiler, but he didn't stop. He was too eager to help. No, shouted Isabella, but it was already too late. Oh no, he cried. Oops, Jack spluttered. Miss Jenny was glad Jack wasn't hurt, but she was disappointed. Safety first, she said firmly, means you don't rush in where you don't belong. I'm sorry, Miss Jenny, Jack said sadly. Maybe you're not ready for the pack, sighed Miss Jenny. We'll see if you can do better tomorrow. After Miss Jenny returned to the yards, Jack was very sad. Isabella could see he was unhappy. You're a good front loader, she said. And a good friend, said Alfie. Being a good friend is important, said Thomas. That made Jack feel just a little better.